Buddy, here you have an office complex.
Got a bunch of stuff here. We got vintage Amana.
It's got a Tecumseh.
This is probably early 90s.
A lot of these compressor tags are pretty rusty, so they're hard to see.
They're still somewhat legible, but for the most part, whatever's left to read is gone.
Probably down there at the bottom. There's a compressor.
I got 3 Goodmans and a ream plastic that's running. Let's see if this has data. Doubt it does, but it's worth a look. I think that's where it would have been, but it's gone now. This is a 2020 2.5 ton. Here's your energy guide. These are all straight pull units. And there's your data on that one. Ream is 312. Give it a look. This is it's a 37. It's like a little over a 3 ton. Amana, which is basically just a Goodman. So, here's a scroll. It's a 4 ton, I'm pretty sure. Got a bigger Goodman. I'm pretty sure this one's a 5 ton. That's actually a 4 ton from 2016. And we got a Comfort Maker Performance Series right here with the Copeland reciprocating compressor. I wish these, yeah, I brought mine too. I wish these were running because I'd love to get these starting up. But I don't think anything has been running besides that ream, at least in this little bunch. This is a 3 ton from 2001. It's in relatively good condition for its age. And we got 2 Goodman units here. I'll only get the data on one. 2003 2.5 ton. And we got another Amana. So one of them like these around here. 2011 3 ton 13 seer. That's it for these. You got 2 more Amanas and a York back there.
The York's a 1998
NATO's buried down there. Not gonna bother with that.
This one I think might have a newer compressor.
Not
Unless,
the original.
yeah, it still has the metal tag.
Is right there. Take it off.
Is it legible?
If I think it may be an 01 or something.
No, that's an 01.
Yeah, 01. Yeah, I knew either. And they got a
3 ton.
I need to find a place to.
Actually, it's probably a Coleman because the Yorks had.
Their
York badge.
their
Yeah,
grill
it's
is
a
like
Coleman. It's a
vertical
Coleman.
and not horizontal.
Yeah, so
Or-
it's probably a Coleman.
Yeah,
More than likely.
It's a Goodman.
Coleman
There's
F-Con.
all around them. Like, look at that. Behind that York, especially, that's gonna cause a blocking.
Show that real quick. Another old Amana and another Goodman. I wonder if any of these still have their data sheets.
I think some of the ones that are buried in the pine straw do. Yeah.
Of course, the part where the data is the only part that's illegible. The rest of the data sheet is still there and in good condition. This has like the newer style fan blades.
Yeah. It's a 13 standard.
You remember what year this is? Because I do not feel like wedging back here.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'll get the year myself. 2014.
2014. I suppose it's either a 1.5 or 2 ton.
There's another Amana. Place is full of old 80s Amanas.
Wonder if any of these have been on. Mine's a little bit cold, but doesn't really mean anything.
Oh, well,
It's
look
not
at the
sweaty.
capacitor. Look at that half job in there.
This one might not even run anymore unless that's just poorly
Although
redone.
I remember these are a pain in the ass to work on because they're tiny.
That panel's hanging off a little bit.
Because the tiny electrical box is making an absolute pain to have to work on.
Got 2 XLIs,
The hell?
3-foot blades,
Those are 2012.
scroll compressor.
This was not like this last month. XL69.
2012, 5 ton.
He's been running like $1 million question.
Doubt they have been, since that ream was the only unit that was running. And then we got some more right here. I guess this was a recent addition.
This is a 2000. I believe I think it's a 3-ton or a 2-ton. It's a 2.5 ton from 2000.
Did this mini split replace anything, or was it just added?
Let me look at my photos from last month. But that wasn't there when I was here.
So this is a
That's fairly newer.
1 ton. I can't find the serial number.
It's a 20. I think it's like a 2020 or something. Let me look at my photos. Hold on.
And we got another
Yeah, look.
old Amana. Another Goodman. Another one right there.
Yeah, this is what it looks like.
Here's this Train XB 1000. This is a 2 ton from 2003.
This complex was built between 84 and 89. I think one of them down here might be running.
2 Max Merritts. The date on that one. 2013. And I guess these are all from 2013.
And that vape was there when I was here last month. It's still there. That vape has been sitting there for over a month.
Doesn't surprise me. It's a 4 ton. And these are probably 3 ton.
Yeah. Probably. Okay. I have all the data sheets there.
This is another XB 1000. We got 2 XR13s. That's a 2007. And that's a 2006. Heat pumps. 2022 Goodman, 5 ton. And we got, I guess this is an Amana?
Yeah, it's a 19.
Just of a different style. It has a Tecumseh reciprocating compressor. Where's the date on this?
Oh, it's faded. I had to get the date off the compressor.
This is like 96?
Yeah, 96. I got the date from the compressor.
Oh,
It used to be
Fujitsu.
right there.
And we got an older Goodman
Yep.
and
These are both 2000.
a Lennox product right here
Yeah, it's a 2000. Okay.
with a Copeland reciprocating compressor.
Let me get it. I don't know. I know it's a Linux product from
2000,
Like an Armstrong.
2 ton. 2000.
2000?
Yep. And another old Goodman. This one had the fan blades replaced. Take a look at these fan blades.
Yeah, that's what I said. I thought these fan blades are weird looking.
What year is this one?
2001, January. January 2001.
And there's a couple more over there. Another Amana Distinctions and a Janitrol. Pain Teardrop, Train XB1000, and a Linux Diplomat.
Compressor.
What year is the compressor?
It's a. I'm not sure. I'm not a bad angle. Have to look back at the video. Yep, unit of the 97, 2.5 ton. DA10.
This has a sound blanket.
There's a frame.
Oh. Oh wait, never mind. That's just oil or something. Thought I was running. 2003, 2-ton.
I'm gonna ask Paul.
And then, honestly, this might have a recip.
Here's an older winner.
No way to tell since it has a
93.
compression blanket.
Yep. Look at that pump plug there.
31 years old.
Mm-hmm.
31 years.
My soul died when I heard
Compressor
that.
blanket.
I can still remember when 93 was 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Another old Amana and a Root Achiever 10 with a Copeland reciprocating compressor. I don't think this one has its. Oh, there it is. I just didn't see it at first. 1992.
Yeah, there's Copeland.
23,000 BTUs. That's just a little under a 2-ton.
Oh, you see the Copeland?
I saw it, yeah.
Yeah, Copeland.
I'll get a quick clip of this one.
Has a leather compressor blanket. Year.
2005, and it's a 2.5 ton.
Here we got a modern Goodman.
This one's like
I don't know how I missed these levels.
probably about 2014. He's gonna go ahead and get the data.
2017.
2017.
It is a 2.5 ton. That's good.
It's a vintage Typhoon central air conditioner.
1984.
This is 1984.
Yeah, that's when the building was built.
Sounds about right.
Could be older. Probably the most bizarre unit I've ever seen.
6-bladed.
Yeah. Everybody sees that.
Not really. I don't think it had its JC anymore. And this Train XB1000 just fired up. I missed it starting up, but I'm prepared for the next cycle. And we got a Duquesne right here. Or this is an airflow. Close enough. (2011) 2.5 ton. And we'll go ahead and get the data on this train. That's a 1996 3.5 ton.
Giving out weird those are.
Here's a vintage Ream central air conditioner. This is like the 80s design, I'm pretty sure. It's rude. Pretty cool. Got these two right here. And then another old Amana. A Bryant Legacy right there. This might be brand new. Or no, that's 2020. Got a smaller one right here that's missing the entire fan assembly. Might be able to decode that later on. See if we can get the year. Then we got a 2004 Goodman 2-ton, I'm pretty sure. No, so this one's a 3-ton. And then a Janitrol. which has a Bristol reciprocating compressor, 1999 3-ton. There's some more over there. This one's probably like a 510 if I had to guess. Yep, and it's from 2019. So this is a 1984 Rude central air conditioner. There's your data sheet, July 1984. That is a 2.5 ton. There's one just like this on the other side of the building. And you got 2 Goodmans and a 2023 Carrier Comfort. That'll be it.